The term NPSH, net positive suction head, is very commonly used in the pump industry. The minimum suction conditions are more frequently specified in terms of NPSH. It is defined as the absolute pressure head at the inlet to the pump, minus the vapor pressure head, in absolute units, plus the velocity head. With the detailed simplification of this equation, we get the following expression of NPSH, where the right side of the equation is the total suction head. Hence, NPSH is equal to the total suction head. Thus, NPSH may also be defined as the total head required to make the liquid flow through the suction pipe to the pump impeller. In the next video, we will discuss the required NPSH as well as the available NPSH. Before we end the video, we want to let you know that, here, you are not required to make notes. We already did it for you, to save you time. You can buy the detailed notes from the link mentioned in the description, for less than the cost of a chocolate bar. Thanks for watching.